Hey guys, and welcome back to another adventure. Back out on the water today. Today we're gonna go. We're gonna go for a trip. We're gonna start off. Just started back in the Holland River there. Came up that, and we're just coming into Lake Simcoe now. And then we're gonna go up through the locks, through over like the big chute, through Trent Severn, and then make our way up Georgian Bay and try to get up to the Massassauga Provincial Park and do a little overnight camping and then make the trip back and stuff like that. So we're going to hit some open water, we're going to hit some channels, we're going to hit some locks and stuff like that. So I hope you'll stick around and watch it and see what we get up to. Let's see what we do. Well, we've made it about halfway through Lake Simcoe. You can see in our chart plotter here, which I may or may not be able to show you. So there we go. So down that way is Barrie, Ontario, because we want to get up to these locks and make sure we get through these locks on time, because they do shut down at a certain time. So we want to make sure we're through them all so we can get out to where we're going to go for the night. So like I said, halfway through. Beautiful day out on the water. A little bit of clouds building now. A bit of a wind from the south, but nothing these beautiful CDs can't handle. So we're going to keep going a little bit here, and I think we're going to try and get up to, I think our next stop will probably be like around Aurelia. So we'll check in then. Coming into Aurelia here, we're going to try and get some gas, and then we're going to start making our way through the locks and stuff like that. So let's see what we get. Alright guys, we've made it into the Trent Severn Canal. So we're heading from Lake Simcoe now towards Sparrow Lake. So like I said, we're into the Narrows now. Absolutely beautiful. Wonderful day out. My buddy, you can see back there, Due Diligence Fishing is with me. So we're just cruising up there. We're in between a couple of boats, but not too much traffic out today, so what a great day out on the water. So this section is a 10K maximum. You can't go any quicker than that. So it's just nice to kind of like sit back, relax, chill, and just look at all the like places that are around here. So. Alright guys, made it to our first lock, Couchiching. So we're just waiting for the bunch of boats that are in there now to rise up and come out, and then we'll head in and make our way down the lock. So we got like that side over there for mooring up, And if you want to go through, you got to line up on the blue side. So, making our way. Made it through the first lock. Happy times. Alright, I'm gonna keep going down the canal here. I've made it into the next lock with a huge boat. So let's get this going.
Going down, please hold on to your lines all the way down.
Alright, going down. Not actually sure how far of a drop this one is. Pretty deep one actually. Wow. It's impressive. Alright, made it out of the second lock. Next should be Big Chute, I think, and then Port Severn, I think. We're going over the Big Chute right now, so we're actually out of the water. Pretty cool. Roughly about 6 to 10 minutes to get through that once you're through. Going, so all pretty cool. Alright, on to the next one. We should almost be getting near lock 45, which is the last lock. Through that, we'll be out onto Georgian Bay and making our way up to campsite. So let's see what we get up to. Alright guys, well this is where I used to work from like the age of 14 till 20. Raleigh Resort. Every summer I was up here working. They've remodeled a bit, so like the pool is right there. That's like units 1 to 4. The dock, everything like that. Like we have pictures of me like right there, like we'd come there at nighttime and stuff like that. And then there's the resort right there. It used to be on the 3rd floor of the resort. It used to be where all the staff and everything like was at. And then there's my buddy Ben's parents that owned it, and they used to live year round in that room there. And the ground floor is like the kitchen and stuff like that. And again, mine was like the 3rd room in on the top there. So Raleigh Resort, like I said, they've done some upgrades to it since I've been there, but that right down in there was known as units 5 to 8 when I was there and stuff. So pretty cool to be back looking at that. It was an amazing time, great time, loved working there. Jamie and Marlise, if you ever watch this, it's amazing working there. Now coming back all these years later on the season, very cool. So again, great times. We're now approaching lock 45, which is the last lock before you go exit Georgian Bay. So let's hit this lock and try to get up and move it along, all right? Here we go. Yeah. All right, guys, we made it into lock 45. Out that way, Georgian Bay. Over that way, due diligence fishing. He's pressing his buttons too. And we got some boats coming in behind us. So we'll head down and head on out and see where we go from here. We're going to go out to Georgian Bay and then north through to try to get up to the campsite. Alright guys, we've made it to the open water. It's getting a bit windy out here, so I'm going to pack the camera away for a bit, and once we get a little further on and figure out what we're doing, it's a little safer, and I'm not going to, I just got wet, and I'm not going to lose the camera with the footage. I'll bring it back out, so hopefully, if I don't see you in a couple minutes, we'll see you maybe by the time we get to the campsite, or whatever the heck happens. Alright, later. Alright guys, we're just passing through Honey Harbor now. So this is the old Delawana Inn, also known as the Del. A well-known place on the water. There's a restaurant up there as well. Looking waves! Oh my god! Anyway, we gotta keep going. Check it. Alright guys, we made it to the campsite. We got everything all set up, ready to go. Beat the rain, but you can hear little bits of thunder in the background, so like I said, don't know how much more filming I'm going to do today. And like I said, way back, I don't know, I have see if I can charge my battery. I don't know, we'll have to see. Anyway, we've made it up here. It's a great trip, probably one of the longest runs we've done, like just kilometer wise. And yeah, it's great fun. So hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm probably film a little bit more, you know, see how things go. But all right guys, well, we made it through the night. It's another beautiful morning out here. So again, wasn't able to charge any of my batteries. If anyone has any recommendations for a portable power pack that I can plug my GoPro batteries in so I can charge it overnight, leave them in the comments below. Would appreciate that a lot. Something that's easy that I can pack into the Sea-Doo would be great. And then that way I can get a little bit more video out of this. But anyways, this was the campsite all packed up. Really nice. My buddy already out there ready to go. We're just getting ready for the day. So thanks again for watching. If I don't post anything else after this, it's because I did run out of battery. I'm going to try and do a quick time lapse as we leave, but you never know. Anyways guys, again, appreciate you guys watching. If you like the video, click the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so I know you're out there watching. And until the next adventure, peace.